Hey everybody, Wes here from Valley Reel Works, and I'm wanting to show you this reel here just real quick. This is a Catala 300 by Shimano that that I'm about to tear into. Just thought I'd make a quick video. As always, remember my videos are not a step-by-step how-to. Mine are just kind of, hey, look what we're doing. If you're looking for those kind of videos so that you can do your own reel repair, please let me know. I'll point you in the right direction. Or if you'd rather have somebody else work on your reel, I am always available for you. Just please reach out and we'll work something out. So anyway, the first thing about this one is, if you look at the line guide, it just moves back and forth. It is missing the pawl, the shim, and the cap. I've already ordered those pieces. I knew we were going to need those. To get this thing in the free reel, some things are messed up back here. I got a sneaking suspicion I know what's going on. With this reel, sometimes the end of this rod over here, the E-clip and the shim will pop off, and you just got to redo those. So we're going to be breaking it down. Once I get it broken down, we'll take a look at it, and I'll give it, bring you back on. We'll see it. All right, give me a few minutes. Hey everybody, Wes is back here, and I've got this reel apart. As you can see, everything's really gunked up. Now, I've already started cleaning this end plate on this Catala 300. Got it cleaned up, got all the gunk out of it, but you can see how gunky everything was here. Looking at these parts, you can see down in here, I've got these parts in my little parts bucket. When I took this apart, this E-clip and this washer slash shim was just sitting free. I know where they go, but they were not attached. They were actually sitting on top of the spool. If you look down in this part of it, you can see there's another one sitting down there in the bottom of the spool. Again, it's fairly obvious where it goes, but it's not where it's supposed to be. So there were some loose pieces in there. You know, we're gonna take a look at everything here with how this is moving and things like that. It's still down in there. But anyway, I started cleaning up this part. You see something just blew into it. I'm sitting outside working, but I'll get that all cleaned up, and then we'll go the rest of the way. Here shortly I'll do the final part of it. We'll see this thing all back together, and we'll go from there. Okay everybody, we're back with part 3 of this Catala 300. Got everything back together, got it all cleaned up, got all the parts scrubbed down and cleaned. I got a new pawl put in the level wind, got a new cap for it as well. I did order those. Parts are getting hard to get for this one. They don't make this one anymore, but that's working perfectly now. Turn it around, this was a little bit stiff before. This is where you push down to free reel and to release your line. I just pushed it down, and I'm doing this one-handed, but let's see if I can make it work. There we go, and it popped right back up into place, and it's working fine now. Inside's been all cleaned and lubed. Drags look good, but they were cleaned up a lot. Made sure we had fresh, some good oil soaked into all the bearings. This is a 4-bearing model. And this little thing is ready to fish again. There's a lot of built-up gunk and debris inside of this, which is what happens with these reels. And just a little bit of maintenance, at least once a year, will keep these things up and going well. This particular reel I've seen people use even for surf fishing and stuff like that. But anyway, I'll be getting this one back to its owner. It is all complete. And again, if you want to do some DIY stuff on your own and you need to know where to look to get a detailed video, I'd be glad to point you in the right direction. Just send me a list. Or if you just don't have the time or the inclination or tools or whatever it might be to work on your own reel, I'd be glad to take a look at it and work for you. Do the work for you, I should say. And prices are listed under the first comment on the website, or you can just send me a message and we'll figure it out. But anyway, talk to you guys later.